Good morning to my dear students. Welcome back to Atma Green School, Jai Swaminarayan. Today, class 7th, I start with book Geography and I think lesson number 8 is over from my side, right? Lesson number 8. Yes, lesson number 8 is over and we were supposed to do its exercise, that is page number 63. Okay, we will do its question answers, that is page number 63. Answer the following questions. The first is, name the continent in which the Amazon basin is located. The answer is, the Amazon basin is located in South America. I repeat, name the continent in which Amazon basin is located. It is located in South America. Next, what are the crops grown by the people of the Amazon basin? The crops grown by the people of Amazon basin is tapioca, pineapple and sweet potato. ये इन्हें रॉ ही खा जाते हैं. Tapioca, pineapple and sweet potato. Name the birds that you are likely to find in the rainforest of the Amazon. The birds that are likely to be found in the rainforest of Amazons are toucans, hummingbirds, and the birds of paradise with their brilliantly colored plumage. I repeat, toucans, hummingbirds, and the birds of paradise with their brilliantly colored plumage. Next, what are the major cities located on the river Ganga? Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna, and Kolkata. Allahabad, Kanpur, Varanasi, Lucknow, Patna and Kolkata. Where is the one-horned rhinoceros found? It is found in the Brahmaputra plain. Tick the correct answer. Toucans are a type of birds. Toucans are a type of birds. Manioc is the staple food of Amazon. Manioc is the staple food of Amazon. Kolkata is located on the river Hooghly. Deodars and firs are a type of coniferous trees. Kolkata is located on the river Hooghly. Deodars and the firs are the type of coniferous trees. Bengal tiger is found in delta area. Bengal tiger is found in delta area. We go to match the following. Cotton textile. Answer Varanasi. Cotton textile, answer Varanasi. Maloka, it is slanting roof. Maloka is slanting roof. पिरहना is a fish जो अमेज़न रिवर में बहुत पाई जाती है और ये बहुत डेंजरस फिश है. एक सेकंड भी इसे लगता नहीं है ह्यूमन बॉडी के पार्ट्स को अलग करने में. सिल्कवर्म सेरिकल्चर, काजीरंगा, आसाम. नेक्स्ट, गिव रीजन. The rainforests are depleting. The rainforests are depleting because of the large-scale development and industrial activities. Deforestation has increased, because of which the topsoil of land is getting washed away, decreasing the soil fertility. As a result, trees are unable to grow and the rainforests are depleting. Easy answer, you will be able to get in your text. Same answer आपको text में मिलेगा. Next, paddy is grown in the Ganga Brahmaputra plains. Paddy is grown in the Ganga Brahmaputra plains because the cultivation of paddy requires sufficient water for growth, so it can only grow in areas of high rainfall. Okay, आगे तो मैप स्किल्स है एंड फॉर फन है, राइट? तो इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर्स वी हैड फिनिश्ड. देन वी गो टू इसके एमसीक्यूज में हम जाते हैं. Okay, shall we go its MCQs? Chapter 8. Considering the kind of symbiosis, classification of parasites includes endoparasites and ectoparasites. Manas Wildlife Sanctuary is in Assam. The Amazon basin is in South America. On Amazon basin, days and nights are almost equally hot and humid. In Amazon basin, days and nights are almost equally hot and humid. The Ganga Brahmaputra basin area is dominated by monsoon climate, and that climate comes between mid-June to mid-September. The one-horned rhinoceros is found in the Brahmaputra plain, the place where a river flows into another body of water is called river's mouth. Buddhist stupa is in Raisin, Madhya Pradesh. Raisin, Madhya Pradesh. Cash crop grow in the area of Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Which cash crop? It is sugarcane and jute. The Amazon basin is the largest river basin in the world. The main occupation of people living in the area of Ganga Brahmaputra basin, where flat land is available to grow crops, it is agriculture. The main river, along with all its tributaries that drain an area, forms a river basin. In which of the following area tea is grown in plantations? It is West Bengal and Assam. Which of the following is not a cash crop? It is jawar. Dash are built on the steep slopes to create flat surfaces on which crops are grown. It is terraces. Dash is a way of cultivating land where farmers clear a piece of land by slashing or cutting down trees and bushes. It is slash and burn. The staple food in the rainforest area is manioc. Ganga Brahmaputra basin form in India. It forms in India. Okay, we land up to extra question answers हम देखते हैं इसके. How does the people look different in different parts of the world? Extra questions of this lesson. How does the people look different in different parts of the world? All the living people in different parts of the world also look different. Their food habits, clothes and habitation pattern are also different. From where does the Amazon flow? Why is the river Amazon referred to as the equatorial region? Because it flows very close to the equator. इसलिए इसे equatorial region भी कहा जाता है. How is Amazon basin formed? Numerous tributaries join to this Amazon river to form Amazon basin. Name the cities which are closely associated with Amazon basin. South America में है, that is Brazil, parts of Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, and a small part of Venezuela. Why are the forests thick and dense in the region? Due to heavy rainfall, forests are thick and dense. Why does sunlight not reach to the earth in this forest? Because these forests are very thick and dense, the leaves of trees make a roof on the upper side of the forest, which do not allow the sunlight to reach the ground. Name the plants which grow as plant parasites in the region of Amazon basin. It is orchids, bromeliads. ये plant parasites है. Orchids and bromeliads. Name the fruits grown in Amazon basin. Tapioca, pineapple and sweet potato. What do you understand about cassava? देखो Amazon basin का staple food है manioc, which is also known as cassava, that grows under the ground like a potato. Cassava. What do you understand about Maloka? Maloka slanting roof है, वहाँ के लोग जो रहते हैं. Made of wood है. Large houses made of wood. Amazon के बेसिन में जो लोग रहते हैं ना, उनके बड़े बड़े घर है और wood के बने हुए हैं और थोड़ा ऊपर है, और it has a steeply slanting roof. What is called Maloka? It is a large house is made of wood with a steeply slanting roof. What has become an excessive threat for fish? Susu. The untreated industrial and urban waste with high amount of chemicals are killing this species of fish. Why are the rivers polluted? Many cities are located along the various rivers. The rivers are being polluted by the untreated wastage of cities and industries. Briefly describe about the climate of the Amazon basin. Describe about the livelihood of people living around the Amazon basin. What are the main features of Ganga and Brahmaputra basin? Describe about the wildlife in the Ganga and the Brahmaputra basin. What do you understand about Susu? ये एक फिश का नाम है. मतलब एक्चुअली ये डॉल्फिन भी है और इसे ब्लाइंड डॉल्फिन कहा जाता है. कहा जाता है कि जिस भी रिवर में डॉल्फिन पाई जाती है ना, वो बहुत ही हेल्दी रिवर है. मतलब कि वो रिवर में कोई वेस्ट का मिक्स नहीं है, केमिकल्स मिक्स नहीं है, हेल्दी रिवर है, ऐसे कहा जाता है. कि इट इज़ अ बिलीफ दैट डॉल्फिन ब्रीड्स एकदम साफ सुथरे पानी में वो ब्रीड करती है. ज़रा भी उसे गंदगी नहीं पसंद, या केमिकल ऑयल जो पानी के अंदर है पानी को गंदा करता है, वहाँ डॉल्फिन्स कभी नहीं होती है. They always like to stay, like to live in the fresh, एकदम clean water में. What are the means of transportation developed in the Ganga and the Brahmaputra river? Roadways है, railways है, waterways है, airways है. Then long question answers that describe the fauna found in Amazon basin. Long answers, extra questions. Write a short note on Ganga Brahmaputra basin. All these answers you will get easily from text. Describe different parts of climate and crops around Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Write a short note on tourism in the Ganga and the Brahmaputra basin. एक्चुअली ये जो बेसिन है ना, टूरिस्ट अट्रैक्टिव है. ताजमहल है, जो रिवर यमुना इन आगरा, अलाहाबाद ऑन द कॉन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द रिवर गंगा यमुना, बुद्धिस्ट स्तूपास ऑफ द उत्तर प्रदेश एंड बिहार, लखनऊ विद इट्स इमामबाड़ा, असम विद काजीरंगा एंड मानस वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज, अरुणाचल प्रदेश विद अ डिस्टिंक्ट ट्राइबल कल्चर. What do you understand about slash and burn? See on page number 57. ये देखो, ये टाउकेंस है, देन उसके नीचे तापिर, देन मतलब ये आइडेंटिफाई द पिक्चर में आ सकता है. देन पेज नंबर 60, that is paddy cultivation, और उसके साइड में है टी गार्डन इन असम. So this can be asked in picture based questions. Identify the different pictures. Okay, now see your home job part. आपका होम जॉब पार्ट है जो मैं आपको दे रही हूँ, and you have to send me in my personal WhatsApp. That is an outline map of India. Mark the cities located at Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Map लेके आओ, उसमें mark करो, और you can color also, pencil color, chalk color से कर सकते हो, and you can send me in my WhatsApp number. इसके 5 marks है. I repeat again, your homework assessment that will carry 5 marks. And you have to send me in my personal WhatsApp. बनाकर उसे भेजोगे. मैप है, you can color with chalk color, pencil colors, anything. Okay, or you can send me in my personal WhatsApp number, and it will carry 5 marks for your semester 3 periodic test 3 में जो 5 mark है वो मैं आपको इसमें से दूंगी. So if you will send me in 1-2 days, then it's okay. Otherwise आपको 0 दिया जाएगा. Okay, so please write the question. On an outline map of India on an outline map of India. Mark the cities. Mark the cities located at Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Mark the cities located at Ganga Brahmaputra basin. Okay? You have to make it and you have to send me. चैप्टर 8 का चैप्टर 8 का एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस आई विल सेंड यू. मैं आपको उसकी सेंड करती हूँ आपके क्लास में फॉर योर प्रैक्टिस. ओके, पीडीएफ बना के भेजती हूँ मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन सेट ऑफ चैप्टर 8. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दीज क्वेश्चंस, आपके टेक्स्ट बुक के क्वेश्चंस के अलावा मैं आपको और देती हूँ कुछ एक्स्ट्रा. आई विल मेक इट्स पीडीएफ एंड टुडे आई विल सेंड इन योर क्लास 7th ग्रुप. ओके, ओके. Okay, so you please do read this lesson and I will send you few and remember my homework given. Okay, thank you to all.